Think about something you like. It could be your favourite food, your favourite gadget, or your favourite hobby. Now think about the companies that produce your favourite things. They all have something in common. Money. Most companies are in business to make money and to make a profit. Some are in business to advise other companies how to make money. Even charities and not-for-profit organisations need to think about money so they're more effective and efficient with the money that they have. So you see, finance is really important to all types and all sizes of organisations. They all need people working for them who understand finance. They are accountants, people who play a vital role in shaping business and how organisations operate. These people are crucial to the success of any business. Every type and size of organisation needs finance professionals to help them shape their business. They may employ their own qualified accountants or go to external accountancy firms for these skills and expertise. But every company needs them, all around the world. So if you choose a career in accountancy, your knowledge and skills will be in demand by lots of different types of companies, working in every area of business imaginable. There are lots of reasons why accountancy is a great career choice. Because accountants play a key role in every business and organisation, it's a job with real prestige and respect. That's because people who understand how a business operates are really valuable to an organisation. After all, finance is key to any business. There's really great career prospects and career development on offer too. You could find yourself working at a senior level within an organisation and enjoying the rewards and responsibility this brings. You can even choose the sort of organisation you'd like to work for, whether it's big or small. There's also good money to be made. Sound exciting? I'll show you how you could start your journey in accounting and finance by choosing to study accountancy qualifications offered by ACCA. We'll also be hearing from some students currently studying with ACCA for a bit of inside knowledge. ACCA, the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, is the global body for professional accountants. They've developed a set of qualifications recognised and respected worldwide. As we'll find out, you don't have to have any previous experience or qualifications to begin studying with ACCA. It's the end result that counts, and you can study and work anywhere in the world. It's no surprise then that ACCA has so many students and members in over 170 countries. As you can see, ACCA is truly a global organisation. ACCA students have been telling us why they've chosen a career in accountancy. Let's hear some of their reasons.
I think that finance is a very important part of a business.
I love to play with numbers, so accountancy, it's interesting.
Well, accountancy you can use in various layers of an organisation.
It's a qualification that can take me so many places.
You could work as an auditor, you could work in tax.
It opens more opportunities for me and it pays better money to be qualified.
You could work in management accounting, you could work for industry, practice.
ACCA gives more knowledge in accountancy.
Make a good money for my lifestyle. That's why I'm doing ACCA.
You could set up your own company, anything you want, charities.
I can travel to different countries and experience different lives and different accountancy.
Everybody needs an accountant.
So, if you're thinking that this could be a career for you, where do you start? Like any profession, you'll need to get qualified. ACCA has developed a unique set of professional exams which you can study for whilst you work. It's important to have qualifications because these demonstrate to employers that you have the knowledge and skills needed to do the job. But in order to qualify, in addition to taking exams, you'll also need to gain experience working in accountancy to show you know how to apply your knowledge. And you need to demonstrate you can act and work ethically and professionally too. Once you've achieved the ACCA qualification, you'll be a chartered, certified accountant and be able to work in any area of accountancy. That's one of the things which makes ACCA unique. There is a structured path to help you study for the ACCA qualification, and if you have the equivalent of GCSEs and A-levels, you can start immediately. If you have a degree, even better. But the good news is, even if you haven't got these qualifications, you can still start to study with ACCA by taking Foundations in Accountancy. So, there are different routes into the accountancy profession if you choose ACCA. The one that's right for you will depend on the qualifications you already have. ACCA wanted to make a career in accountancy open to anyone, and that's why they've developed Foundations in Accountancy. It's a suite of 4 awards, and you can choose which award to start with depending on your previous qualifications. Foundations in Accountancy is made up of the Introductory Certificate in Financial and Management Accounting, the Intermediate Certificate in Financial and Management Accounting, the Diploma in Accounting and Business, and the Certified Accounting Technician qualification, also known as the CAT qualification. Once you've completed a level and a module on professionalism and ethics, you'll receive an award from ACCA. Your progress will be recognised and rewarded, so you'll get a real sense of achievement every step of the way to keep you motivated. Let's look in detail at each of the awards which make up Foundations in Accountancy. The Introductory Certificate in Financial and Management Accounting is the ideal starting point if you don't have any qualifications. Even if you have, you may still decide to start by studying for this because it will give you a great understanding of the basics before you move on to the more advanced awards. You'll be studying for 2 exams, which are equivalent in difficulty to qualifications like GCSEs. You will also need to complete an online module about professionalism and ethics. This is because it's really important to know how to behave professionally and ethically. How long is it going to take? Well, that's entirely up to you, but most students can complete the introductory certificate in 6 months. However, there's no pressure to take the exams within a certain time limit, so you can work at your own pace. As with all the exams in the Foundations in Accountancy suite of awards, when you're ready to take the exams, you can choose to do them online at any time of the year, or take a paper exam at one of ACCA's exam centres twice a year. There's over 380 of them worldwide, so there's bound to be one close to you. Alternatively, you could decide to start with the Intermediate Certificate in Financial and Management Accounting. It's a more advanced qualification, so if you have started by taking the introductory certificate, studying for this award will be your next step. Again, there are 2 exams to take, which are equivalent in difficulty to qualifications like A-levels. It's up to you to decide how long you study before taking these exams. If you haven't done the introductory certificate first, then you will need to complete the online module, Foundations in Professionalism. But don't worry, you only need to complete it once. So that's the certificates, but you could even start with the Diploma in Accounting and Business. It's equivalent in difficulty to the first year of a degree, and there are 3 exams to pass. Most people take between 6 and 12 months to do the diploma, and once you've successfully completed it, you've already made great progress towards the ACCA qualification. There's also that all-important Foundations in Professionalism module. Now there's one final award in Foundations in Accountancy, the Certified Accounting Technician, or CAT qualification. If you've already completed the exams for the introductory and intermediate certificates and the diploma, you are already well on your way to achieving the CAT qualification and only have to take 2 more exams, so 9 in total. You also need to get relevant work experience and complete Foundations in Professionalism to become a Certified Accounting Technician and to use the letters CAT after your name. Or skip this level and move on straight away after the diploma to complete the ACCA qualification. So, Foundations in Accountancy is an ideal stepping stone which will get you ready to begin studying to become a professional accountant. The ACCA qualification is globally recognised. With it, you'll be able to work in any area of accountancy worldwide. It's a really prestigious qualification, which is highly valued and respected by employers. You'll need to pass exams, get relevant experience and complete another module on professionalism and ethics before you're fully qualified and have earned the right to put those all-important ACCA letters after your name. Something to be really proud of. Again, there are lots of qualifications you can collect along the way whilst you study, including an advanced diploma, even a degree. Once you've qualified, ACCA will support and advise you throughout your career. That's just one of the reasons for choosing ACCA, but there's loads of other reasons too. Here's what some students had to say.
Well, I am studying ACCA because it's an internationally recognized professional qualification.
Enables me as a person to compete globally.
If I study now, maybe I'll get a job, nicer in the future.
I would like to make my brighter future and brighter career.
That you can apply anywhere, you can get, your good future, your good career, you can get anything.
It would be the best qualification for me to earn more money for my family.
Because it's a globally recognised qualification and it is starting to gain importance back home in India.
I can roam anywhere in the world, as well as if I need to go anywhere, and if I go back home as well, definitely I will have the best position I can deserve.
This is going to make me work with the federal government of Nigeria. I've always dreamed to work there.
I didn't fancy going to university and getting loads of debt.
So, there are lots of benefits if you join ACCA, such as a network of more than 80 offices and centres. Your nearest ACCA office will keep you up to date with events and offer local guidance and support, so you'll have help every step of the way. ACCA has teamed up with colleges all over the world who provide specialist training for ACCA exams. They're called Approved Learning Partners. Details are available on the ACCA website, where you'll also find My ACCA. It's your own personalised area with customised information, support and resources, all relevant to your course of study. There's even some handy self-check maths and English tests available on the website, which are optional to complete and free to use, and ideal to check that you're ready to start. You'll also be emailed a copy of Student Accountant magazine every month. It's packed with information to help you with your studies, including developments and changes. Plus, there's lots of great tips about getting jobs in accountancy. You can find out lots more about ACCA on the website. And if you're ready to register, the quickest and simplest way is to apply online. So if accountancy is for you, start your journey with ACCA.